2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Find your dream car and drive it home today.